Have you ever wished there was a simple drink you could enjoy at night that not only relaxed your body for deep, peaceful sleep, but also nourished your eyes and protected your vision as you age? Imagine sipping something warm, golden, and comforting right before bed, knowing that with every swallow you're helping your eyes stay clearer, sharper, and healthier for the years to come. This is not some new fad or a modern invention. It's a time-tested remedy that has been used for centuries in traditional healing systems. And science today is starting to confirm what our ancestors already knew. Tonight we're talking about golden milk, sometimes called turmeric milk, a bedtime ritual that could be a game-changer for seniors who want to repair their eyes and finally enjoy a calm, restorative night's sleep. Stay with me until the end because you'll want to hear exactly how to make it, the science behind why it works, and how it can become one of the most soothing parts of your nighttime routine. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and share this video with someone you care about, especially if they're struggling with tired eyes, poor sleep, or just want to age gracefully with stronger vision. Every week, we bring you trusted, research-backed tips on senior health and eye care, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's get right into it. Golden milk is a simple drink made with warm milk, often cow's milk or a non-dairy alternative, combined with turmeric, a spice that gives it its beautiful golden color. Other ingredients like black pepper, cinnamon, or ginger are sometimes added, and each one has its own benefits. This drink has been a staple in Ayurvedic tradition from India for hundreds of years, used as a natural way to calm the body, fight inflammation, and prepare the mind for sleep. But beyond relaxation, new research and countless personal experiences are showing that golden milk may play an important role in eye health, particularly for older adults. Think about the challenges we face with our eyes as we get older. Cataracts, blurry vision, dry eyes, and even conditions like age-related macular degeneration become more common after 45. Doctors often talk about oxidative stress, which is when harmful free radicals damage the delicate tissues of the eye over time. This damage can lead to clouded lenses, weaker retinas, and vision that just isn't as sharp as it used to be. Turmeric, the star of golden milk, contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has been studied for its strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin doesn't just work on your joints or digestion. It also protects the eyes by reducing oxidative damage and supporting healthy circulation to the retina and optic nerve. Now, you might be thinking, does drinking a warm cup of turmeric milk at night really make that much difference? Let me tell you, the answer lies in consistency. I've read accounts from health practitioners, and even in traditional wellness books where seniors reported improvements in eye dryness, less strain, and even better clarity after making this a nightly ritual. And while these aren't overnight miracles, they reflect how small, daily habits build up to big changes over time. Imagine adding one simple cup before bed and giving your eyes the nourishment they've been craving all along. And let's not forget sleep. One of the biggest struggles for seniors is restless nights, waking up often, difficulty falling asleep, or shallow sleep that leaves you feeling drained in the morning. Sleep is critical for eye health. When you sleep deeply, your eyes get a chance to rest, restore moisture, and repair minor damage from the day's exposure to light and strain. Milk itself contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps the body produce melatonin, your natural sleep hormone. When you pair that with turmeric's calming effects, you create a drink that tells your body it's time to rest, while quietly working on your eyes in the background. So, when you put it all together, golden milk becomes more than just a cozy bedtime drink. It's like a nightly treatment for your eyes, your nerves, and your sleep cycle. That's why it has stood the test of time and continues to find its place in modern homes, especially for older adults looking for safe, natural solutions. But here's the exciting part. In just a little while, I'll show you exactly how to prepare this drink the right way so you unlock its maximum benefits. Before that, let's go a bit deeper into what's happening in your eyes when you sip on this golden remedy. If you're enjoying this so far, go ahead and drop a like on this video. It helps more seniors discover these natural health tips and motivates us to keep creating content that makes a difference in your life. Now think of your eyes like tiny cameras. They capture light, focus, and send signals to your brain. But like any camera, the lens can get cloudy, the wires can weaken, and the parts can wear down with age. What antioxidants like curcumin do is help clean the lens and protect the wires, so your vision stays sharper for longer. In fact, in some published medical reviews, curcumin has been highlighted as a promising natural compound for protecting against cataracts and degenerative eye conditions. While these studies often use concentrated extracts, the daily use of turmeric, even in a simple drink, can still contribute meaningfully to your body's defenses. And it's not just turmeric at play here. If you add a pinch of black pepper to your golden milk, it enhances the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. That's right. Without black pepper, your body struggles to take in the benefits of turmeric. With it, you unlock the full potential. Cinnamon and ginger, often added for flavor, bring their own antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which further support circulation and reduce pressure in the eyes. Each ingredient plays a small role, and together they create a symphony of healing. Imagine finishing your day with a warm golden cup in your hands. Sipping slowly as your body relaxes, your eyelids grow heavy, and your eyes soak in the nutrients they need to stay strong. This isn't just a drink, it's a ritual of care, a gift you give yourself every night. So here's my question for you. If such a simple habit could help you protect your eyesight and give you restful sleep, isn't it worth trying tonight? Stick with me, because in the next part, I'll walk you through exactly how to make golden milk at home, step by step, while also sharing more about the best variations for seniors who want to focus on eye health. And before we move on, don't forget, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, because we have plenty more practical, caring advice coming your way each week. So how do you make golden milk the right way? The beauty of this ritual is in its simplicity. You don't need expensive supplements, fancy equipment, or complicated recipes. All you need is a small saucepan, your choice of milk, and a few key spices. Let me break it down step by step so you can start this tonight. First, choose your milk. Many people use regular cow's milk because it's rich in protein and tryptophan, which helps the body wind down before sleep. But if you're lactose intolerant or simply prefer a plant-based option, almond milk or oat milk can work beautifully. Almond milk in particular brings extra vitamin E, which is one of the most protective vitamins for the eyes. Vitamin E shields the delicate eye tissues from free radical damage, slowing down the progression of age-related macular degeneration. So even your choice of milk can add an extra layer of support for your vision. Next, turmeric. You'll want about half a teaspoon to a full teaspoon of ground turmeric per cup of milk. If you're new to it, start with a smaller amount and work your way up. Too much at once can feel overwhelming, and the key is to make this a pleasant ritual you look forward to every night. Remember, consistency matters more than intensity. By drinking it nightly, even a modest dose builds a reservoir of protection for your eyes and your sleep patterns. Now comes black pepper. Just a pinch is enough, but don't skip it. As I mentioned earlier, black pepper contains piperine, a natural compound that boosts the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Without it, you'd be leaving most of turmeric's benefits behind. With it, you unlock its full healing power. To enhance both flavor and benefits, you can add a small cinnamon stick or a quarter teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon not only balances blood sugar, which is essential because uncontrolled blood sugar levels can damage the tiny vessels in your eyes, it also adds a comforting sweetness without sugar. Seniors with diabetes or prediabetes will especially benefit from this little addition. If you enjoy ginger, add a slice of fresh ginger root or a pinch of ground ginger. Ginger improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and can help lower eye pressure, which is particularly important for those concerned about glaucoma. Together, these ingredients create a blend that is both healing and deeply relaxing. Here's how to prepare it. Pour your milk into a small saucepan and gently heat it over medium flame. Add the turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, and ginger. Stir continuously as it warms, allowing the spices to blend into the milk. Don't let it boil vigorously, just bring it to a warm, soothing temperature. Once ready, pour it into a mug, and if you like, you can sweeten it lightly with honey. Honey itself has antimicrobial properties and has been used in natural remedies for soothing eye irritation. But remember, keep the honey minimal, just a drizzle, especially if you're watching your blood sugar. Before you take that first sip, take a moment to appreciate the golden color. This isn't just a drink, it's a ritual of care. In traditional cultures, preparing golden milk was seen as a nightly cleansing and healing act, something that signaled the body it was safe to rest and heal. When you make it at home, you're joining in that same ancient tradition, but with modern knowledge to back it up. If this sounds like something you'd like to try tonight, go ahead and hit the like button on this video. It lets me know you're finding value here and helps spread this wisdom to more seniors who could benefit. Now, let's talk about what happens after you drink it. Within the first 20 to 30 minutes, many people begin to feel their bodies relax. The warmth of the milk, combined with the natural calming effect of turmeric and cinnamon, helps quiet the nervous system. Your blood sugar remains steady, which is critical because sudden spikes or crashes at night can disrupt sleep. As your body eases into rest, the tryptophan in the milk supports melatonin production, helping you drift into deeper, more restorative sleep. And while you're resting, the antioxidants in turmeric and cinnamon are busy at work, protecting your eyes from oxidative stress and gently reducing inflammation. Think of it as your eyes getting a spa treatment while you sleep. The delicate tissues in your retina are extremely active during the day, constantly exposed to light and strain. At night, when the body has a chance to repair, golden milk provides the building blocks to restore and protect those tissues. You might wonder if there are stories or real experiences to back this up. Let me share with you a small example from a senior wellness group I read about. Many of their members, aged 60 and above, began incorporating golden milk into their bedtime routine. While each person's results varied, a common theme emerged. They reported waking up with less eye dryness, fewer night awakenings, and an overall calmer state of mind. These aren't isolated cases. Across cultures and even in modern wellness circles, golden milk continues to gain recognition as one of the most soothing nighttime remedies for older adults. It's not just personal experience either. Some published research has examined turmeric's role in eye health. For example, animal studies have shown that curcumin can help protect the retina from damage caused by oxidative stress. Other research points to its ability to slow down the progression of cataracts by reducing protein clumping in the eye's lens. While these studies often use concentrated curcumin supplements, the principle remains the same. Regular intake of turmeric, even in a natural form like golden milk, contributes to long-term protection. And let's not overlook one of the most important benefits: inflammation control. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many age-related eye conditions, from glaucoma to diabetic retinopathy. Curcumin works like a natural shield, calming inflammation at the cellular level. By sipping golden milk nightly, you're essentially giving your eyes a protective layer that builds up over time. So, when you think about golden milk, don't just think of it as a bedtime drink. Think of it as a gentle nightly investment in your eyesight and your peace of mind. Every sip is helping you rest, repair, and prepare for a clearer tomorrow. Before we move into some practical tips on how seniors can adapt this ritual for their unique needs, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That way you'll never miss these simple but powerful ways to care for your health naturally. Now that you know how to make golden milk and why it works, let's talk about how to make this habit truly yours. Seniors often have unique needs. Maybe you're on certain medications, watching your blood sugar, or dealing with digestive sensitivity. The good news is golden milk is flexible. With a few thoughtful adjustments, you can personalize it to suit your health and comfort. For example, if you're sensitive to dairy, almond milk or oat milk are excellent alternatives. Almond milk, as I mentioned earlier, is particularly rich in vitamin E, while oat milk contains beta-glucans that support heart health. Both are gentle on digestion, making them easier to enjoy before bedtime without discomfort. If you're managing blood sugar, skip the honey and rely on cinnamon for natural sweetness. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels, which not only protects your eyes but also reduces those middle-of-the-night wake-ups caused by glucose swings. In fact, some research has shown that cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, which indirectly supports the small vessels in the eyes that are so vulnerable to diabetic damage. Now, let's talk about timing. When should you drink golden milk? Ideally, about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. This gives your body time to absorb the nutrients and allows the warmth of the drink to signal your nervous system that it's time to slow down. Seniors who struggle with falling asleep may find this ritual particularly helpful because it creates a consistent routine that trains the body to relax at the same time each night. Another tip: combine your golden milk ritual with a brief eye care practice. For instance, after drinking, you could spend 5 minutes doing gentle eye relaxation exercises like palming, where you cover your eyes lightly with your warm hands, shutting out all light while breathing deeply. This reduces strain, calms the optic nerve, and pairs beautifully with the soothing effect of the drink. Small habits like this, when practiced nightly, add up to noticeable improvements over time. If you're enjoying these insights, take a moment to hit that like button. It helps more seniors discover natural solutions for eye care and overall wellness. Some seniors may also ask, is it safe to drink golden milk every night? For most people, yes. Turmeric is generally safe when used in moderate amounts, especially in food. However, if you're taking blood thinners, managing gallbladder disease, or have certain medical conditions, it's wise to check with your doctor first. Safety always comes first, and golden milk should complement your health plan, not replace professional care. Now let's consider another layer of benefit: stress relief. Stress is one of the hidden enemies of both sleep and eye health. When you're tense, blood pressure rises, circulation suffers, and your eyes feel the strain. Golden milk, with its warm temperature, soothing spices, and calming effect, acts almost like a natural relaxant. Many seniors describe it as hugging the body from the inside. This emotional comfort is just as important as the physical benefits. A relaxed mind and body promote deeper sleep, which in turn allows the eyes to restore and repair themselves overnight. It's also worth mentioning that golden milk can help with dry eyes, a common complaint among seniors. Why? Because quality sleep is one of the best remedies for dry eyes. During deep sleep, tear production is regulated, and your eyes naturally rehydrate. Add to this the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric, and you have a drink that not only helps you sleep, but also reduces irritation and dryness in your eyes over time. Imagine yourself a few weeks from now, looking back after making golden milk part of your nightly routine. You may notice your eyes feel less strained during the day, reading feels easier, and you're not waking up as often at night. Your mornings start calmer, your nights end with comfort, and you've created a habit that supports both your health and your peace of mind. That's the real magic of this ritual. It's sustainable, gentle, and deeply nourishing. If you've been finding value in this video so far, please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Tell me, would you be willing to try golden milk tonight? Your stories not only inspire others, but also help us build a community of seniors supporting each other in healthier living. Before we close, let me share a final perspective. In many traditional healing systems, nighttime was seen as the body's sacred repair time. The day is for activity, light, and strain. The night is for healing, darkness, and rest. Golden milk fits perfectly into this rhythm. It bridges the day and night, telling your body, it's time to stop, heal, and prepare for tomorrow. When you drink it, you're honoring that wisdom and giving your eyes and body what they truly need. So here's my gentle challenge to you. Tonight, set aside a few minutes, warm up your milk, add your turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, and black pepper, stir slowly, and sip mindfully. Let it be your pause, your moment of self-care, your gift to your eyes and your sleep. Small actions done consistently lead to the biggest results, and remember this, your eyes are precious. They've served you faithfully for decades, allowing you to see your loved ones, read your favorite books, and witness the beauty of the world around you. Don't wait until problems grow worse. Start now with something as simple as a cup of golden milk, and give your eyes the protection and repair they deserve. If this video has inspired you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with a loved one who could benefit. Together, we can spread the message that natural, caring habits can make aging not just easier, but more joyful. Thank you for spending this time with me tonight. I hope you enjoy your first cup of golden milk, sleep peacefully, and wake up with brighter, healthier eyes. Until next time, take care of your vision, because it truly is the window to your world.